the best new foods for men. Discovering new products fights diet boredom, but how do you stick to a budget with so much deliciousness at play? We did the work for you. 1. SIETE MAÍZ TOTOPOS, sea salt. The hearty tortilla chips are sturdy enough for even the heaviest scoops of guac. They taste nutty and slightly sweet, even with no added sugar. 2. Scout Jalapeño, Crunch Tuna, Snack Kit. Wild yellowtail tuna, corn nuts, toasted pumpkin seeds, spices. It's the tastiest way to eat 23 grams of protein with 30 seconds of prep. 3. Hope hummus, sea salt, and olive oil. With chickpeas and tahini, this is the best of both worlds dunking experience you need. 2 tablespoons have a mere 70 calories. 4. STRUESLI Organic Granola Original. This party of chia, hemp, coconut, pecans, walnuts, and tiger nuts, RAR, has the sustenance of oatmeal without a sugar pile on. 5. Icelandic Provisions Extra Creamy SKYR, passion fruit, and mango. The whole milk in this thick yogurt makes it extra rich, and the flavor is your answer to mixed berry fatigue. 1 cup has 11 grams of protein. 6. Vital Farms Restorative Eggs. The chickens that lay these live off land that is able to restore the soil. The egg's flavor is buttery and clean with a texture that's supremely fluffy. 7. North Country Smokehouse. Thick cut. Applewood smoked uncured bacon. These strips come from pigs raised without antibiotics or growth hormones. The bacon's smoky sweet balance tastes especially amazing worked into chowders, braised greens, and meatloaf. 8. KOSTERINA snacking olives, coriander, and pink pepper. They're big, green, robust olives packed chewable with a spicy, fresh flavoring that blows away those lackluster supermarket olive bar offerings. 9. GENIO DELLA frozen pizza, broccoli RABE. The tender, crisp crust, well-balanced toppings, this is frozen. Surprise factor, all from the chef behind NYC's legendary Una Pizza Napolitana. Enjoy with a beer. 10. AUSSIE Select Lamb Pastrami. These cold cuts hold way more meaty flavor than the sad roast beef at the deli counter. Try them folded onto a Reuben, atop a burger, or straight out of the pouch. A 4-ounce serving has 10 grams of protein and 120 calories.
Thanks for watching. You can give appreciation via Linktree in bio.